Anti-dumping duty. In this video, we are going to learn about what is dumping and anti-dumping duty, what are WTO provisions with regard to this, how it is being imposed, and who is the authority which recommends and imposes the duty. Let's get into the topic. What is dumping? Dumping is said to occur when a goods are exported by a country to another country at a price lower than its normal value. It means if the export price of the product is lower than normal value of the product, it constitutes dumping. This is considered as an unfair trade practices which will have a distortive effect on international trade. Two fundamental parameters used for determination of dumpings are the normal value and the export price. Based on these two parameters, that is normal value of the product and export price of the product, it is determined whether the dumping happens or not. The purpose of anti-dumping duty is to rectify the trade distortive effect of dumping and re-establish the free trade. Therefore, it acts as an instrument for ensuring free trade and also serves the purpose of providing remedy to the domestic industry against the injury caused by the unfair trade practice of dumping. I think now you are clear about dumping and anti-dumping duty. Let's move on to WTO provisions on anti-dumping duty. As per WTO, anti-dumping is considered as a measure of fair competition. Article 6 of General Agreement on Tariff and Trade explicitly authorizes the imposition of specific anti-dumping duty on imports from particular source in case where dumping causes or threatens injury to the domestic industry or materially retards the establishment of a domestic industry. WTO provisions focus on how government can or cannot react to the dumping. It does not regulate the action of companies engaged in the dumping. What is the validity of anti-dumping duty? As per WTO provisions, anti-dumping duty is valid for the period of 5 years from the date of its imposition unless revoked earlier. It also contains sunset provision in which government authority can investigate to extend the duty for further period of 5 years. Anti-dumping duty is imposed after analyzing and presenting the fact about effect of dumped goods. It is analyzed based on volume effect and price effect. Volume effect of dumping relates to the market share of domestic industry compared to the dumped imports. With regard to the price effect, there has been a significant price undercutting by dumped imports as compared to the same product in the country, or whether the effect of such import tends to depress the price to the significant degree. If any country reduces the price of its exported product, then it will be difficult for the domestic manufacturers to compete. The prolonged period of dumping can make domestic manufacturers out of the business. Under the WTO arrangement, the national authorities can impose duties up to the margin of dumping, that is the difference between normal value and export price of the product. The Indian law also provides that anti-dumping to be recommended or levied shall not exceed the dumped margin. So in this way, rate of the anti-dumping duties are determined. The important thing is that anti-dumping duties are exporter specific and the country specific. For example, recently India has levied anti-dumping duty on 5 Chinese import. Who recommends and imposes anti-dumping duty? The anti-dumping duty is recommended by Directorate General of Trade Remedies, which is an authority under Ministry of Commerce, but the final call is taken by Ministry of Finance. That's all about the topic. Thank you.